A short moral story, strength in unity. Once upon a time, there was a man who has 4 sons. His sons were always fighting with each other. One day, the man decided to teach them a lesson. He said to his sons, "Bring me a bundle of sticks and try breaking it across your knee." All of them failed. Then the man undid the bundle and handed them the sticks one by one, which they broke easily. Their father said, "If you stand united, you will be no match for your enemies. But if you fight and stay away from each other, your weakness will put you at their mercy." From that day, his son never fought again. Moral of the story is united. We stand, divided we fall. Thank you for watching. See you next story.